I hope you're ready today to see the Wynwood, an awesome Lennar floor plan, 5 bedrooms with a den, 4.5 bathrooms. Let's take a look. Here we go. We're going to take a look at the Wynwood today. Beautiful floor plan offered from Lennar. It does have the awesome double door entry with glass doors. Walking in, you can see it's a very expansive floor plan. Nice, wide open. You can see straight through with all of the sliding glass doors that go out to the back. So we're going to come in and we're just going to take a look right here to the right. So the Wynwood is a unique floor plan in that it has 2 master bedrooms. We have one down here on the first level. Again, you can see the lovely slider out to the lanai. Good sized bedroom. It's a king bed in here. And coming in through to the bathroom with a giant walk-in shower. Very large. And a double sink. Your water closet. And walk-in closet here. You've got your main living area. Some dining here in the center. Huge kitchen island, lots of cabinets. And your den is right here off of the main living area. Great thing about this neighborhood is gas. So you do have a standard powder room and your laundry room with a sink. And your air handlers back here, along with some storage. One of the bonuses of a 2-story house is you always capture some storage underneath the staircase. High ceilings here in the entry. I'm going to come up here to the top floor. Beautiful loft area with tons of natural light with those 2 windows coming in. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at the second master bedroom. So a little bit of a different configuration than the main floor, but size-wise pretty comparable. And again with the dual sinks. Nice big window. And again, a nice big walk-in shower. Your water closet. And this upstairs bedroom actually has 2 walk-in closets. Okay, coming out of the upstairs master bedroom. Again, you walk right past that beautiful loft area. And we have a tub shower combo here. Nice high ceilings here on the second floor. So we have 1 full bathroom there. We have a bedroom here. Good sized bedroom. The standard bedroom closet. We have a second bathroom here. So 3 full bathrooms here on the second floor. And we have another bedroom. And the last bedroom here. So lots of options in this home, lots of living space, lots of bedrooms, and lots of bathrooms. All right, again, we've got 3 sliding glass doors that open to the back, 1 in the bedroom, 1 in the eating area. And this is a quad right here that slides open out to your expansive lanai. This home has the most undercover space of any of the Lennar floor plans. You can see here, you have a nice long covered space. This is a home here that has the pool and the hot tub option. And you can see there still is a tremendous amount of space available for seating, chairs, grills, plenty of room to figure out a TV area. I hope you enjoyed seeing the Wynwood model here at Verdana Village, built by Lennar. And if you're interested in Verdana Village, you should check out this video here that shows you the latest updates on the hottest new community in the Estero area. You can always schedule time with us using the Calendly link below, or reach out to us on any of our social media.